Good morning, guys. Good morning to all. I'm audible. My voice is clear. Is it audible? Guys, online guys, please respond anyone. My voice is clear or not? Okay, all right. Yeah. Yesterday we discussed conditions. What is the condition? If you want to validate any script, we are able to use conditions. See here, we are able to validate the positive test case and a negative test case here. If you want to validate any negative test case, we are able to use if condition. Inside of the if condition, we are able to provide the customer, expected error message. Once you guys are provide inside of the if condition, then automatically the error message will be validated. Nani? Okay, see, you guys are observe here, this is one test case. In this test case, we have a precondition and a verify is there. Coming to verify, in this if condition, I will provide one text. I am expecting this error message, this text is already exist. Okay, this text is already exist. And it is there inside of the application, then will be executed. See, the text we are expecting, whenever you enter invalid data, this text we are expecting in your application. See, this is true, then what type of text we are expecting? This text we are expecting. Inside of the then, we are able to provide your expected text here. See, this condition is true, immediately then will be execute. This condition is true, immediately then will be execute. Okay, immediately then will be execute. You guys are observed here. What is the action mode? In this action mode, we have different types of elements is there. You know, guys, what is the input? If you want to provide any data, that is we call a input. And what is the verify? What is the verify? Okay, see. Now we are going to discuss about verify. What is the verify? Yeah. See, verify is nothing but if you want to validate any element on your web application, verify is nothing but if you want to validate any element on your application, we are going to use verify. For example, we have two buttons or two elements is there, registered and login. You guys are able to validate the elements in different ways by using verify. You guys are able to validate that elements in different way. For example, I need to validate, register the text is there or not. Okay. And I need to verify my expected text is appear or not on my application. I need to verify that is enabled or not. I need to verify. See, by using verify, we are able to validate the application elements in different ways. The verify, it is very help to validate the elements on the application in different ways. The verify, it is very helpful to validate the different elements on your application. By using verify, we are able to validate any type of element or any type of text, any type of element or any type of text. How we can use the verify in your Tosca software? Okay, see, you guys are observed. Now I need to create one test case. This is TC_02. TC_02. Here you guys are observed. Now, first of all, I need to create. Once you guys are create the test case, the basic thing first you need to create the test configuration. Okay, here we need to provide our browser. Once you guys are provide the browser, the second step, and we need to launch the application URL. Once you guys are launched the application, we need to provide some weight. Once you guys are provide the weight, and here, okay, just I want to scan that one. Go to module, right click, and we need to use the Chrome. Just a copy, not this one. Just right click here and scan. Click on save and click on close and open the application. I think this is the username and password. drag and drop to this test case. Okay. Yeah. See guys, here, you guys are observing here. What is the meaning of the verify? Why we are able to use verify? See, if you want to use the verify in Tosca software, we are able to validate the different types of elements in existing. See guys, when you guys are use verify, we need to use existing commands. We need to use some existing command. We have different types of existing commands is there. We have different types of existing commands is there. Okay, the first one I need to use here. See, you guys are observe. You need to click on this button and click on this one. I need to use exist. I need to use exist. Exist equal to true. Exist equal to true. See, this is not an input. This is I will provide verify. See, this will be validate registered is there or not in this application. See guys, once I launch the application, I will hold the active window 8 seconds, and after that, you guys are observing here, I need to validate my expected text registered is available or not on my application. If I want to validate that one, just I need to use some existing commands. Exist equal to true, and after that here I need to use the verify. The verify will validate the text is there or not. The text is available, the expected value and actual value. What is the expected value? We are expecting before doing the testing. The registered text is there on my application. What is the actual value? The system response is the actual value. Once you guys are execute the code, the system response already the registered button is available on my application. This will be verified. My expected value and actual value. What I am expecting, my value and system response, actual value, both are same. The test case is pass. Okay, see guys, the expected value and actual value both are same. Okay, both are same. The result is pass. The result is pass. The expected value and actual value. Expected means before doing the testing, what we are expecting, that is we call expected value. Actual value is nothing but once the testing is complete, the system provide some response, that is we call actual value. Now I will execute this one. You guys are observed here. Right click on here and run in. Before execute, you need to close this one. Okay, you need to close everything. You need to close, and here you guys are right click here and run in Scratchbook. Yeah, we got an error. What is that error? You guys are verifying here. See, demo web shop. See, what is the error? Could not find HTML document demo web shop with the following property. Okay, browser could not be found. Please check it. Okay, see guys, this is first time to launch the Firefox. Now it will be execute. Okay, it will be take some time. Now it will be execute. Compare with the earlier, it will be executed. Okay, now I will minimize and close. I think we are able to get the error here. identification problem. See, you guys are observing here. Okay, now it is executed successfully. Okay, now it is executed successfully. You guys are verify the, see, you guys are observe. See, verification was successful, expected value true, actual value true. See, whatever we are expecting, the expected value is true. And once execute the code, the system response also true. The expected value and actual value is true. The test case is pass. This is, we are able to validate the existing, the text is there or not in exist. Okay, and we are able to use one more thing. You guys are observed. Now I will create one more test case here. TC underscore 03. Okay, and here yeah, see guys, in earlier I was using here exist. Okay, in earlier I was using here exist. See, you guys are observed here. Now I need to verify the T is visible or not. The register is visible or not. I need to verify the element, which element register is visible or not. I need to verify. See, if I want to verify like this, you guys are provide visible. You guys are provide visible. The element is visible. The element is visible. Okay, we are able to execute the application. Okay, the element is visible. We are able to execute the application. Yeah. See guys, now I need to execute the code and right click here and right click here, run in Scratchbook. I need to validate the element is visible or not. The element is visible, the test case is pass. The element is not visible, the test case is fail. Register, the element is visible. Yeah, the test case is pass. The test case is pass. See, now I need to see, you guys are observing here. Verification was successful. Expected value, we are whatever we are expecting, the element is visible. Yes, our expected value and the actual value both are same. So the test case is automatically pass. And second one, now I need to create one more test case here. Okay, TC underscore 04. And we have one more verification is there. What is that verification? We are expecting some text. The text is available or not. Inner text. Inner text. See guys, you guys are observing here. Here I need to remove the exist. Just I will provide inner text. What we are expecting inner text here? This is, we are expecting something here, not this one. We are expecting this one. Okay. Yeah. Same text. Whatever we have on application, same text we need to provide. Okay. See guys, this is, I need to validate the text is available or not. I need to validate. See, right click on here and click on run in Scratchbook. Yes, that is pass. See guys, that is verification expected and actual, both are same. And one more thing is there guys, one more thing, that is visible, enabled or not. Okay, that is enabled or not. Just I need to use here enabled. Okay, the element is enabled or not. Yes. Okay, you guys are observed and execute. Now I will execute enabled, run in scratch. The registered is enable mode or disable mode. We are expecting the registered is the enable mode. We are expecting on my application, the registered is the enable mode. Now the test case is pass. Now the test case is pass. You can open. This is the verification. The expected value and actual value both are same. The expected value and actual value both are same. Okay. Now you guys are observing here. This is we call verify. How you can use the verify? How we can use the verify? Okay. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not, guys? Do you have any doubt? Please respond, anybody. Yeah. See, Ramya, exist and visible. See, we are expecting exist on my application. The element is available or not. I need to validate. Okay. Once the element is available, that is visible or not, I need to validate. Okay. That is different meaning, but looking similar. Okay. See, exist is there is nothing but we have an application is there. On this application, we need to validate that element is there or not, or that text is there or not. Okay. See, once the text is there, that is visible or not. That is visible or not. Okay. Is it clear? Hello, Ramya? Yeah. The next one. Already you guys are observed. Already I discussed conditions. Okay. And how you guys are validate the error messages, different types of error messages. How you guys are validate the different types of error messages. Different types of error messages. Okay. If you want to validate any type of error text message, first of all, the application related information we need to scan. Okay. First of all, that application related information we need to scan. Okay. That is mandatory. See, you guys are observing here. Just I want to click on the registered. Without click on the registered, sorry, once I click on the registered, without enter any data, I want to click on the registered. Once I click on the registered, then it should be displayed some error text messages. See, these fields are mandatory. So now I want to validate how I validate these elements. How I validate these elements. Okay. And first of all, we need to create one folder. First of all, we need to create one folder. Okay. See, this is error text. This is error text. Just I was created one folder in test case. Listen, I was created one folder in test case tab, and I want to go to the module and right click here and create the module. Here also I will provide error text. Here also I was provided error text. Once you guys have provided the error text, just you need to scan the application. And I need to scan the application. Once I scan the application, here just I need to use here male and female, and this error message, this one, and this one, and this one, and after that registered. Okay, see guys, this is what we call tell me guys, this is what we call, this is unique or non-unique? Anybody please respond. Yeah, see, you guys are observe clearly. This is the non-unique. So I will try to convert unique to non-unique. Yeah, one is I was convert to non-unique to unique, and second one, yeah, this one also I am able to convert to non-unique to unique by using only basic view. Yeah, that one also I was convert. See guys, this is we are unable to convert. This is also we are unable to convert. Yeah, this is also we are unable to convert. So in this time, what we are able to do? In this time, what we are able to do? Tell me guys. Just I want to go to the advanced view and I need to select, and I will verify anything is no. Okay, here also I will verify inner text. It is not possible. Yeah, by using outer HTML, I am able to convert. Okay. Outer HTML. The selected item is unique. And next one. Just I want to select this one. Just I want to select that one. Okay, once I was selected that one, I need to call, I save this one and close the active window at that close of that one scanner. Once we close that one, and we need to verify the error messages, all the error messages. See guys, okay, here I was selected all the error messages. See, this is inside of the div, okay, inside of the div. So I want to remove this one. Listen, see, you guys are observe. Again, I will scan the application. Okay. Go to scanner, right click, application. Yeah. And we need to choose this one. Okay. See guys, this one we need to convert iniq to non-iniq. This one inner HTML. And this one inner HTML. And this one inner HTML. See guys, inner HTML is not possible. Yeah, this one I was convert outer HTML. Yeah, I am able to convert outer HTML. These are all I was converted to non-iniq to iniq. After that, I click on save. And after that, I need to close. And now we are able to go to and close this one. Now I am able to go to here. Okay. Now I am able to go to here. See, in this error text, we have male or female and registered, and all the error text messages is there. In earlier, we are already validate login related error message. Please enter valid email and password. See, now you guys are observe here we have male and female is there. This male and female, I need to convert. What I need to convert here? Convert to group. Okay. I need to convert to control group. I need to convert to control group. See what type of elements we are able to convert to control group. We are able to convert gender. We are able to convert buttons. We are able to convert links. Okay. These three types of things we are able to convert control group. Okay. See, the first one radio button, the second one button, the third one is the links. Okay. See, you guys are observed. This is the radio button. Now I need to convert to control. Now I need to convert to control. Just I will provide here gender. Just I will provide here gender. Okay. See, now this one I need to automate. Go to test case. In this test case, first of all, what type of thing is required? I need the first one is the and select the registered. So this one is required. Error text. And before this one, what I need to do? I need to configure. Yeah, one test case. Okay. First of all, we need to create the test case. TC underscore 01. Under TC underscore 01, I need to select, first of all, in test case level, I need to create test configuration. The browser is the Chrome. The browser is the Chrome. And here, you guys are observing here. See what I need to do, first of all, which one I need to select, registered or login? I want to select the registered. I want to select the registered. Once I click on the registered, then I need to validate the error messages. Then I need to validate error messages. Okay, these are all error messages. These are all error messages. Okay, see guys, you guys are observing here. I no need to validate directly here. Just I want to remove this one. I will show you one diagram. You guys are observe carefully the diagram. Just a minute, guys. My paint. I will try to open the paint. Okay. See guys, you guys are observed clearly here. This is the application. Okay, this is the application, and in this application, and we need to enter in this application. You guys are observed. Just I will explain clearly. You can okay. See guys, this is the application. Okay. In this application, I need to enter username, comma, password. Okay. And I need to enter username, comma, password. Once I entered username, I will write uname, comma. Okay. Username and password. Once I enter the username and password here, once I enter the username and password and click on login, click on login. See, this is I provided valid data. This is valid data. Okay, this is valid data, and this is invalid data. Valid data and invalid data. Invalid data. Once I click on the login button by using valid data, verify text, email text, verify email text, verify email text. Once I verify, I will log out. Once I verify, I will log out. See guys, in this application, I need to enter username and password. Once I entered username and password, I need to verify the email text. I need to verify the email text. And once verification is completed, I need to log out. I need to log out. And coming to the invalid data, here what I need to verify here, verify error text, verify error text. And here what I need to verify error text. What I need to verify here, verify email error text, verify email error text. And here what I need to verify, here I want to verify password error text, verify password error text. Okay, once I verify, I need to log out. I need to log out, or we need to log out or close the browser. Not log out, guys. Close browser. Close browser. Okay. See, you guys are observed. This is the application. This is the application. In this application, once you enter the username and password, that is valid. Just you need to verify the valid. How you guys are verify the valid? How you guys are verify the valid? If you want to verify the valid, what type of things we are able to use? The first one, the valid we need to provide. The valid we need to provide if condition. Sorry. The username and password we need to provide if condition. And after that, we need to use here, then the condition is true. The condition is true, then it will be executed. Okay. Then after that, what I need to do, where I need to provide the invalid data, where I need to provide in else, I will provide in else. In else, I will provide. Okay. See, inside of the else, I will provide invalid data. See, the email and the password. See, I will provide here condition. I provided condition inside of the else, and the condition is false, then will be execute. Okay, and I need to create one more else also, one more else also, one more else also. I will repeat one more time, guys. Okay, and you guys are observe. If I want to provide a condition is true, then will be execute. Okay, that is first point. And if I want to provide the else, if I want to provide the else, inside of the else, I will provide some invalid data, some invalid data. See, once I provide invalid data, the data is true, the error is available inside of the else, then will be execute. Then will be execute, close the browser. Okay. See, and coming to the else, the error is available. The error is available. Okay. See, this is optional, guys. This is optional. You guys are able to provide or not. See, by using else condition, we are able to provide email and password. Both we are able to provide. This is the optional. This is the optional. See, based on this diagram, okay, I am able to create the, I am able to automate the application. Based on this diagram, I am able to automate the application. Okay, you guys are observe here how I need to validate and go to go to software and go to software. The first of all, and we need to provide, navigate to registered or login. Already login we completed. So now what we need to do? First of all, we are able to validate the registered. See, and this is what we can click on registered. So I will remove this one. I want to use the click option. Once I click, I will check with the parameter. Okay, Chrome is there. Once I click on the login, I need to enter the username and password. Go to module. And you need to drag and drop. We need to drag and drop. Okay, we need to drag and drop. Here, you guys are observe what I need to provide. Valid data. This is I will provide. The valid data I will provide. Listen carefully, guys. Okay. First, I need to do the valid data. And after that, here I need to change. Here I need to change string. Just we need to provide like, and here we need to use the true, and here also we need to provide login. Here also we need to provide login. Once you guys provide the login, okay, in this time I need to validate the text. In this time I need to validate the text. How I need to validate the text? See, guys, if you want to do any automation script, must and should we need to create the folder. Okay, see, this is I will create process. Just I will create process. Okay, just I will create the process. In this process, I need to enter navigate to the login. Once you navigate, and you need to click on, you need to enter username and password. And I will create one folder here. In this folder, I will provide verify. Okay, verify. In this verify, I will provide condition. Listen, you guys are observe. Okay, you guys are observe clearly, guys. Okay. Yeah. See, once I create the verify, I need to choose the condition, this symbol, condition. Okay. And you guys are observe clearly. Once I create the condition, in this condition, what I need to do? Inside of the condition, we need to validate the error text. Already we have some error text. Not error text, guys, just a minute. I will show you what is that one. Login. Password. And click on login. Okay. So, and go to folder. Valid and invalid. Valid, invalid. Right click. Scan. Application. And two things we need to verify here. And log out. Okay. Click on save. And click on close. And go to here. And extend. Drag and drop. Inside of the condition. Okay. Copy. Drag and drop inside of the, then Okay. Yeah, you guys are verifying clearly. I will repeat again. See, once I click on login, I need to enter the valid data. Once I enter the valid data, I need to click on username and a password. Email and a password. Just remember me and click on login. Okay, and click on login. Once I click on the login and coming to the verify, I need to verify what I need to verify. What I need to verify, I need to verify what I need to verify. Verify email text. I want to verify the email text. I want to verify the email text. After that, I want to log out. After that, I want to log out. Okay, verify the email text. How I need to verify? See. Just one minute. Email. Just we are able to provide email. Go to yeah, that's it. And this one you need to drag and drop. Okay. Okay. I was changing this one. That's it. Copy. Paste. Okay. And coming to the condition, what I need to provide inside of the condition? What I need to provide inside of the condition? I need to provide your exist equals to true. What I am expecting in exist equal to true. Coming to the demo web shop here, what I need to expect here? I need to expect here the inner text. I need to expect here the inner text. Go to application. And copy. And here we need to provide the inner text. And this is verifying. This is verifying. After what I need to do, I want to click on the logout. I want to click on the logout. You guys are up so? You guys are up so clearly? First, I need to enter username and password and click on login button. Once I click on the login button, I am able to log in my expected email ID or not. I need to validate. How I need to validate? Once login is success, I need to create one folder, that is verify folder. In that verify folder, I will use one condition. In this condition, I will provide the exist true. What I am expecting exist true. What I am expecting exist true. I want to expect. I am expecting inner text. This is the exist. I am expecting this is the exist. I am expecting this is the exist. This is the exist. Okay, you guys are up so clearly. You guys are up so clearly. Once you guys are provide this one, and we need to execute the test case. We need to execute the test case. Before execute the test case, we need to close all the, we need to minimize all the active windows. Right click and run in text. You guys are also launch the browser. We got an error. What is the error? Could not find your HTML. Okay. See, the browser is unable to launch. I will check manually. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now I will verify. Right click here, run in Scratchbook. I was created or not in configuration, test configuration. Yeah, I think I was not created the test configuration. I will check. This is, yeah, I was created test configuration. But why it is not execute? Okay. I will provide fire. Could not find your HTML. Okay, got it. What is the mistake here? Tell me. Guys. Hello. Yes, absolutely correct. Okay. The first is the application URL is not there. Okay, open the URL. Okay, just I will provide like this. If it is possible or not, I will check. And I will provide the weight also. Okay. See guys, Control S. Now I will execute. I will check once. Yeah, okay. And click on the login. I think here we are able to provide the registered. Okay, that is a mistake. Yeah. And here, and we are providing login, but why it is click on registered? Control S. Yeah. Control S. Now I will execute. We are providing login, click login, but here it is able to click on logout, registered. But what happened? Just a minute. The browser was not ready for update. Please refer to the settings and the synchronization sync. Okay. The test configure parameter synchronization time. Okay. Just I will execute one more time. Good. What happened here? Register is click. Okay. I will change that one. When we are copy paste, the time did a mistake here. I think I need to remove this one and I need to delete and go to module. What is the navigator here? Very good. Okay. I need to use this navigator. That's just a value which is missing from the module. Okay. Again, you can scan, guys. Okay. The login you can scan Again, right click here. The demo web shop. Again, we need to scan the login. And here, I will provide registered and login. Okay, click on save, click on close, and go to software, registered, login, right click, convert to group. Option. Just we need to provide option. Once we provide the option, just you need to drag and drop here. Okay. I provided, see guys, this one. If you want to enter, click on login is mandatory. Okay, guys, see this one we need to once wait, we need to provide here. Okay, once we need to provide here, click on login. Before we copy from the if condition, so that's why automatically it will be take registered. That is the problem. Not this one. Okay, you can start from starting. I think we are able to. No. Oh. Okay, guys. Okay, just we need to first of all, once you launch the application, click on the login is mandatory. So I will provide just you need to choose the login and automatically we are able to click on that one. But we need to drag and drop to after T box. Wait. Okay, we need to drag and drop after T box wait. But we are unable to drag and drop when we can start from starting. Just a minute, I have one option is there. Cut. Okay. Done. See guys, now I need to paste it here. And copy. Paste. That's it. Okay. See guys, you guys are observed. Oh, this is the different. Okay, I will show you tomorrow, guys. No problem. Okay, I have a session. Okay, I will show you same thing tomorrow. Okay, just you need to order is missing. Only order was missing. Okay, once you launch the application, just we need to provide the way. After that, click on the login. After that, we are able to enter the data. That is the process. This is not. I think this one. Okay, copy, copy, and I will provide paste. Yes, this is the actually here we are able to provide login here. Okay, guys, the process I will explain tomorrow. Okay, don't worry, same process I will explain from scratch. Okay, but I think I need to create from again from starting. Okay, and launch the browser, click on login, and I need to create from starting. Okay, is it clear? I will continue tomorrow. Okay, the same thing I will repeat tomorrow, and after that I will discuss the notes. Okay, thank you very much. I'll continue tomorrow. Bye. If you have any doubts, guys, any doubts? Do you have any doubts? Anybody? Yeah, Mehtas, please tell me. Mehtas. Okay, all right.